6:24 on Sunday, the 31st of December, 2023.
There we go.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's going to light up. Oh my god! Can you feel? Well, I'm terribly sorry about the technical problems we're having right now on Channel 4. We seem to have lost our coverage of the New Year's Eve fireworks from December 2023. We'll have to get back to it as soon as we can. Well, I'm terribly sorry. We're still experiencing some technical problems here on Channel 4 at the moment, trying to load the New Year's Eve fireworks from December 2023. We'll have to get back to the programme as soon as we can. You're watching Channel 4. I'm sorry, we seem to be having some technical problems at the moment trying to load the New Year's Eve fireworks display from December 2023. We'll have to get back to it as soon as we can. This is Channel 4, and hopefully after that technical fault, we can now return to the New Year's Eve fireworks display from December 2023. Mum, just for a minute. Sorry, I mean a Happy New Year. Shay, Oscar, are you ready? Oh my gosh. Oh, it's not lighting up. Dad, you idiot.
Oh my god.
Remember, it's to...
You do it then.